What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. You already know, man. A little late today, man. Just came from the store trying to get me some Coke Zero, man. Later than have none. I'm like, later, I ain't finna fight with you. I got to save my energy for Panera Bread. You know it's Monday, man. These old folk don't got plenty of rest. They got out of church yesterday and rested up and drinking that sweet tea. Boy, they gonna have plenty of energy. Boy, I'm gonna have to woo. Anyway, man, let's get to it, baby. As you can see, it just went up again. $24.69. You know, the number one question I'm getting asked now about drip. Is it too late? Is it too late? Bro, we just 2.5 months, maybe just going on 3 months in. That's it. I know because I talk about it all the time and people starting to talk about it. It seems like it's been around forever. Bro, it's only 2 to 3 months in. You got stuff like Wise token that been out over a year. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, we just getting started. Hex is going on 2 years. Like, we just getting started, bro. This price gonna be, I'm telling you, this price going to $50 before you know it. I'm telling you. With the tokenomics, the way this thing going. Shh. Another thing, you see, I got my drip ready. I got my drip ready for tomorrow. That's going to be a little bit more. I'm going to let it keep building up there. So y'all be trying to sell. Hold your drip, baby. Hold your drip or buy you some new drip because, boom, tomorrow is it, baby. The 13th. Today is the 12th. The 13th is when the fireworks begin. So look, we got the partnership with the bee farm front page, baby. You see it. All out the brain of Forex Sharp, baby. This came from one man brain, man. You know what I'm saying? Look, we're going to have the 25x multiplier. You see people already getting in it. Now, see, these are the risk takers, like me. I'm going to get in. Let me show you what I'm going to do. Well, you can see the farms right here. Now, the drip pair is not here. No B pair is here because the only people that got B are the people that got in on the pre-sale. So you can't even buy B right now. You'll see the B pairs tomorrow when you can actually buy it. So that's why I'm saving my drip so I can pair it with the B and get that 25x multiplier. That's the highest multiplier on there. And B is the reward token, not drip. You see what I'm saying? That's the best part about it. Drip is not the native token, it's B. So you can take the B as the reward token, buy more drip, pair it up again, and just create that nice circle of life effect, man. That nice circle of life effect. But it's, boy, I can't wait. But this is what I'm going to do. I'm going into the cake pair. As you can already come on here now and approve your contracts or whatever you want to get in. It's pretty much stable coins. You got your USDT, USDC, BUSD, BNB, cake. So I'm going to cake pair. I don't know what the APR going to be, but I trust that one. Cake is like a stable coin at this point, so I ain't really making that much over on the other one. So what I got to do is go over here, like everybody else. You know what I'm saying? This stuff takes sacrifice, man. That's why people, man, I don't know. People just be jealous for no reason. Like, we all have to make sacrifices, bro. Ain't nobody got infinite amounts of money. Ain't no need you being jealous of nobody or envious or whatever that beta male trait that's in some of y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? So what I got to do, I'm going to come over here to my cake pool. I'm going to take out, what's that, $15,000? Yeah, I'm going to take that. Take it out of my cake pool. You know, I keep it real, baby. I ain't like these fake people, you know what I'm saying? Be acting like money fall out the sky. And yeah, I'm going to put 7 BNB over here, 7 BTC over here, 100 BNB. Yeah, boy, you had to get it from somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Nobody like to show you behind the scene how they be moving this stuff around, man. This is real people. This is real stuff. No matter whether it's $5, $10, $15,000, doesn't matter. We all got to do it. So I unstake that. And I'm going to have to put it over here in the B farm. But this is high. This is very risky. This thing could glitch out. It could anything. You know how they do? Oh, hold on, guys. We're down for maintenance. We'll be back next Friday, whatever. That's just how it goes sometimes. But I put my 15,000. Guess ain't nobody gonna give it back. Ain't nobody gonna feel sorry. But as soon as I start making money, oh man, you just got lucky, man. You just doing that. You just got referred. You just got. No, I took a risk, just like I did in drip. when nobody else would, I did. You understand what I'm saying? This stuff is risky. So I'm finna go in now, and you can tell, like, look, total liquidity on this one, 6,000. Total liquidity on this one is only 14. Hell, I'm finna beat with the liquidity that's already in here. I'm taking the biggest risk of anybody. 8 with 14,000. I'm about to put in 15,000. Think about that. Everybody else just nibbling in, $1,000 here, $1,200 there. You know what I'm saying? I'm coming in with 15,000, willing to risk it because I want the biggest bang when it starts. Just in case I ain't here when the countdown come or whenever. They're on that UTC time. I might be asleep. You know what I'm saying? They might start at 4 o'clock in the morning. I want all mine. I want every dime I can get. But I'm willing to take that risk. Are you? If not, don't be envious of nobody who is. You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. We gotta start being happy for people, man. Anyway, what else we got? Oh, man, let me tell you. So I broke the system, right? Let me get to it. I broke the system. It just went up again. I'm telling you. Why you started asking, is it too late? You missing out. Anyway, man, I broke the system, right? So let me tell you what happened. Let me show you. So, right, look. So if you see this number right here, 100K, well, yeah, 100,000K. I've been stuck on that number for like 4 days, right? So I'm like, well, maybe, I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's a glitch. Maybe ain't nobody join the team. I don't know. Maybe, but I hydrated and it still didn't move. So I'm like, wait a minute. I hydrated and my max payout didn't move. So I inbox Forex, y'all. Like, hey, man, there a cap on the max payout or something? He's like, no, let me check. So he hit me back. He was like, yeah, I guess it is. Because I didn't think nobody was going to hit it. So, So I done hit the max payout. And that's it, bro. I can't get no more out of the system, man. I know that's going to make some of y'all happy. Are you happy now, man? Some of y'all beta males. I can't get no more than that out the system, bro. No matter who joined the team, no matter what you do, no matter what, I cannot get any more than that. No matter how me hydrating don't do no good, none of that. I can't get any more out of the system. That's it. Once you hit that 100K max, you're done. You're done, bucko. It's over. I done unlocked the secret code. I done defeated Contra. The last time I got this feeling you remember, well, maybe Mike Tyson punch out. Y'all, man, come on now. Don't front. Well, if you played that Mike Tyson punch out, man, you got past, what his name? Ball Bull. What his name was? That was the hardest one for me, man. I don't know why. That joker was so hard to beat. Was it Ball Bull? Who know what I'm talking about, man? The guy right before Tyson, man. It was like, I want to say it was Ball Bull, but anyway, when you finally beat Mike Tyson, man, that was the best feeling in the world. And Contra, for some reason, when I beat Contra, that was the best feeling in the world too. I beat Pac-Man, that was a good feeling, but it was a code. Y'all remember that? Come on now, y'all remember that code? Everybody had the pattern to beat Pac-Man. I wonder, can I still do it? That muscle memory. I mean, I'm getting all off, but back in the days, boy, how you come on now, y'all used to go to the laundromat with your mama, man, and put that cord up on that thing, you next, and play Contra or Tekken or Mortal Kombat. Come on, man. I keep it real. I'm just a regular guy, man. That's all. I don't be faking like all the other guys, man. I'm just a regular dude, bro. I ain't got no Coke Zero today. I gotta go to Starbucks right quick. So let me get on with it. But yeah, man, I broke this is the secret code. So this is the number you want to get to, bro. This is the next race. I don't know who gonna make it. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? But this is where you want to get and you max out. So I don't know, I guess, it's a good thing though, because it keeps the platform. Everything Forex does is platform and it keeps it going. Everything he does, it keeps the platform going. You see what I'm saying? So I'm up against a race of time. I ain't against a race of nothing else. It's a time thing for me because I'm gonna hit it. Like, I'm gonna hit it. So when I hit that, I'm done. I gotta start a new account. It's over. You know what I'm saying? So all that money I'm generating for the platform not coming to me. It's just gonna be going to the platform. You see what I'm saying? So every time that price go up, and I'm responsible for over $2 million in this platform, bro. You know what I mean? So Congratulations to you guys, man. But I'm gonna keep fighting a good fight. I'm gonna keep talking about drip. No matter. You know what I'm saying? Because we got the beef. And he got another announcement too. He announced he put that in Telegram last night. He was in a meeting, and I think I know what it is, but you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna speculate. I'm gonna let him, I ain't gonna steal his joy. But he got another, now I ain't talking about, this ain't even got nothing to do with the beef farm, bro. He got another announcement, and people get talking about, is it too late? No. It's not too late, bro. You come here. What is that? Or it'll have a white box. You paste in the buddy address, hit update, and then you go to the swap. You buy you some, you should already have BNB. You go into the buy section, buy you some drip, and then you deposit. And you gonna see all this gonna light up like a Christmas tree. You see what I'm saying? But anyway, man, I broke the code. Who's next? Let's get to it, baby. Like the video. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy, man.